Today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Toyota RAV4 if you locked your keys in. Okay, so I always go over to the passenger side. You can go to either side. I use an airbag from Access Tools. You can get this by calling the phone number or going on the website. You can also go to Home Depot and get a similar bag. Just stick it into the door like this. Push it through. If you don't have an airbag and you're doing this yourself at home, you could also use like a door stopper, like a wood wedge or a plastic wedge, and stick it in the door. Just be careful it doesn't mess up that cover that's on there. Pump up this bag, close the valve and pump it up, and when you pump it up, it'll separate the door. And once you have about a 1/2 inch gap, you can take a metal rod. I use Access Tools Green Reach tool. It's like a 5-foot long 1/4 inch metal rod. If you don't have one of these, you can make one out of coat hangers taped together, or you can go to Home Depot and buy a metal rod and tape up the end of it, slide it through the door like this, and just come inside here and hook the door handle, which I think is right here, but there's a little cover in the way. Oh, it's a little bit more forward up here. So just grab that door handle and pull it, and there you go. That'll unlock the car, and we can open the door up. And basically all we're doing is just going in with the reach tool here and hooking the lock or the handle and pulling it. You could also grab the flipper lock and flip it backwards if you wanted to unlock it, but there you go.